pretty close to perfection. All right, so problem solved. When you have a converter like this, see this little fan is now running because it's hot. Do you remember we always tell you bring your lunch when you go pick up your unit? That is why you're going to bring your lunch when you go pick up your unit. And that's just the thing they found before they left. Good luck.
It's RV inspection day, and today we are in Canton, Ohio, about to inspect this beautiful 2025 Alliance Paradigm 375 RD. Now stick around. This is something that I can't wait to get inside to see. I don't know what I'm gonna find. You don't know what we're gonna find. And our customer, he's already got his fingers crossed that we find nothing. So we'll update you at lunch and the end of the day.
Hey, first glimpse. Yes, wake up. Time to go. No, it's not about the volume. I like the comments. I appreciate that. But I know some people get it. It's like it wakens you up, gets your attention. That's the point. This morning, trust me, there's a lot of attention going in here, from cleaning people to porter moving equipment. So I had to seek for this one to confirm that this was our unit and not somebody else's. First glimpse so far, it looks pretty consistent. There's a couple of buckling I see in the front that I hope has nothing to do with things moving or flexing. I'm just saying. Well, I'll give you an idea. Okay, come up here. Either they pushed on it to put it there, or like on the other side here, you see this bowed, and this is more open. So those are the kind of things that you got to watch when you're looking at your unit. For me, so far, looking around it, batteries are not working. We're good to go. We're gonna hit this unit and see what we can get out of Alliance this time. I don't know. Let's go check what Lowell has inside. We're still in the morning. My batteries are not pushing voltage, so I can't use the slide out. I can't use nothing. But this was PDI. What does PDI stands for again? Yeah, probably didn't inspect. You're right. So a couple of things that I've had to go through. Try to save my customer's butt, so I'm here. Pulled up the panel. I'm looking at everything. I got voltage coming in to my system. So as you can see, I got 210 volts. Everything is good. Down here, this is your converter. This is what takes 110 and transfers it to charge your batteries. So this would be this converter. So I'm gonna go in DC. So now it's 12 volt. So this is actually charging like it should, 14.4. The problem I have is I'll use this as a ground. And now these are my outlets that go to my batteries in the front, which I got the same result as my battery in the front. So nothing is going from the converter to the batteries. So is there a fuse? That's not my job to get this ready. Now I'm doing it because I'm here and I try to service my customer and be helpful to them so we don't have to come back another day. All right, so problem solved. When you have a converter like this, see this little fan is now running because it's hot. This is a telltale sign about this is your converter, this is your fan. It might not start right away because it needs to be heated up a little bit, but these are your fuses for your converter. When I put my tester on those fuses, I had a feedback from the other side, so it felt like the fuse was good. Well, behold, there goes John. He's gonna fix something. You coming here to fix something?
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. I don't want you in here. I'm good. We're done. So that was it. So I don't know what he's in here for, but we'll see how it goes. Let's go check with him.
Unit. What's this one? Paradigm?
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
I'm in the wrong unit.
You are. See, I could have told you that.
Nice meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you.
too, John.
Take care, John. See, guys are nice. They know what they're supposed to do. Wrong unit. So that could have been yours. Meaning, you came to fix a shower here, and it's actually the other unit.
It's the Brinkley where that couple was here just doing their walk around.
So, as Laurel is saying, this is a Brinkley that people are just picking up. They're picking up. At 10 o'clock, they were picking up. You got a problem with the shower. Do you remember we always tell you bring your lunch when you go pick up your unit? That is why. You're going to bring your lunch when you go pick up your unit. And that's just the thing they found before they left. Good luck.
So come on in. Let's see my First Glimpse and my Stow and Go. As far as Stow and Go, you can get access to your refrigerator on the half side. And then, well, you really can't get to your living room, but that's okay. If you're just stopping for the night, you do want to go to bed, right? You've got great access to your full shower. Check out this bathroom. It is absolutely beautiful. And you can actually get into bed and go to sleep as well. So Stow and Go in this fifth wheel, I think it's pretty decent. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think?
All right, lunchtime recap. Got your attention, didn't I? Almost flawless. So far, this is really nice. No hot skin, no propane. We've been extended our morning because we were starting late. So we've been trying to chase the time that we've lost this morning with that converter. Remember this, I told you this morning how I feel about this buckling of this trim. So if you look here, I don't know if we can see it thoroughly, but right here, you can see how we see inside this trim. So water goes in there. Remember, this is your floor of your bedroom, your closet. This is plywood. Right there, water goes in, sucking it up and giving you nice white flowers that some people call mushroom, if you're into mushroom. All right, let's go this front slide out beside the door. So up here, I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. See, I've got this screw right there, and this screw right there is protruding a little bit too much, where it actually goes right into the rubber and it's starting to eat the rubber. Then I come down here and you can see this. You can see inside here. So this is water coming in. So I don't know about you, water's not a friend in an RV. But other than that, it is pretty flawless. It's amazing. My only concern, which might not be justified, why do I see this buckling on this trim and I have seen it on this side missing? Maybe it's just because it dried up, but it will be stated and it will be corrected. But hopefully whoever's buying this will file this on record and will send it to the company, as if a problem happens down the road, you logged it in. So it didn't start after you loaded it up, because that was empty. So far so good. Let's go check what Lowell has inside.
So it's lunchtime, and I don't have a lot to share at lunchtime as far as negative stuff. Negative, I wouldn't say it's too negative, but look up here. We have two lights here on the ceiling that are loose coming out of the ceiling. The second one is up over here by the fridge. And then the other thing that I found so far is this bottom drawer over here is missing a screw. So it's really loose. Had a hard time pulling out and putting back also. But that's lunchtime. So why don't I just give you some positives? Let's look at this RV. Back here in this living room area, check this out. Not only is this a huge big screen, right? But check out all of your storage. But what I love is that they're all sliding, right? So you have great access to all of your stuff. You have so much storage. And then you've got these beautiful windows. Now, I love Alliance for these atrium windows. Recently, we inspected another brand, and the windows crank out just a couple inches. Some of them don't even open at all, but this way you can get some nice airflow. And then you've got this kitchen, right, which always a fantastic pantry. And what else I've noticed is that they have reinforced their drawers. So all of their drawers are really solid, which is a fantastic feature, which we absolutely love. But even coming up here, you've got to check this out. So you've got nice sliding doors here, barn doors to go into your bathroom. So here in the bathroom, what I love, right over here, check this out. Look at all the storage for your towels and all of your sheets and your blankets, but also this huge shower. Not only is it huge, but it's one solid piece, and you even have a little area that possibly you could fill for a tubby for the kiddos, which is a great feature. But coming into the master bedroom, so again, I'm finding that Alliance is putting soft headboards on there for all of you allies. You little rascally alligators. And then we have this little walk-in closet. I say little because it's not a full walk-in closet. It's a big closet though. It's not a little closet by any means. Guys, do you like to travel? Pierre and I love to travel. Do you want to see what we do when we're not actually RV inspecting? Follow along. There's a link below to our members only videos. Your front row seat to traveling with us. We'll see you at the end of the day.
All right, end of the day recap. All right, see you later. It's pretty close to perfection. This afternoon I've got nothing. I mean, I went through the process, checked every weld, the frame, the axles, everything is how it's supposed to be, meaning there's zert on the equalizer system, there's zert at the end of the leaf spring. We've had that comment before, we had that video before. Make sure that every place pins have a zert that is greasable. Some manufacturer tried to sneak this in. And by the way, another one. 4 tires, 1 spare tire. The same brand. Why wouldn't they all do this? Chapeau, Lions, we definitely need to talk because at this rhythm, I'm going to be out of business. Or, nah, it's going to be quicker. Our day's going to go faster. This is nice. If you like the floor plan, it makes sense. They are consistent. I think it's the 6th year in business that they are into, and they're no longer newbies. So this is not just one out of a herd of sheep. This is consistent. It's not the little black sheep that, oh, all of a sudden it's a good one. No, it's actually the other way around. They blend together. They seem to be about the same consistency and quality. That's what's nice about them. But on another note, if you out there, because I know there's a lot of inspectors watching, checking, and we inspire something inside of you to want to do better, to want to be part of something bigger, reach out, go to our website. So now let's go check what Laurel has inside.
Oh, so it's the end of the day. There's nothing like sitting in your living room and reclining, except Pierre's seat doesn't recline. That's right, the ripcord does not work on this part of the sofa. I get to recline, he doesn't. But you know what's nice about these? They both open up into beds. So, honey, remember back in the day we had a DRV suite, mobile suite, and we bought it with 2 opposing couches so that they could both open up for the kids to be able to sleep. We had 4 teenage girls, so they each had a place to sleep, which was fantastic. So coming into here, I had absolutely no leaks in my kitchen sink. Everything worked great. And then coming up into the bathroom, we're gonna come up here and do the tall stall, right? So if you are 79 inches, 6'7" and lower, you're gonna fit in this shower just fine. It's a big shower. Coming into the bedroom, just a couple of minor things that I found in here. One is that this valance is not secured, and the other one, in this closet right here, there is loose trim on the cabinet. So it just needs to be fixed. I mean, all in all, I'll tell you, this is absolutely beautiful. All the sealant around every corner of every wall, of every sink, everything is perfectly sealed. I'm really happy and impressed. Good job, Alliance. 2 thumbs up on that. If you like videos like this, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave us a comment. If you don't know what to say, C4BO. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to make memories all over the world, starting now. Who's with me? So remember, and do never forget,
It's not all about the destination, it's all about the journey.